Hey everyone, I'm Tyler. I'm the CEO of Less Annoying CRM, and I want to show you a little bit about the redesign we've been working on. First off, I want to be really clear that our team put a ton of effort into making sure this isn't one of those redesigns that messes everything up for users. Everything about the product fundamentally works the same as it always did. There might be a small adjustment period for you, but if the old design worked for you, the new one will too, so don't worry about that. As a matter of fact, a bunch of our customers are already using this new version, and they've been saying things like, and I quote, "Everything continues to make sense, and there is nothing I'm missing from the old user interface. It just works, only better now." Okay, so if we aren't changing all that much, why are we doing a redesign at all? The main thing is that we want to build a better mobile experience. But our old version was designed in 2012, which was way before smartphones became as common as they are now. So the biggest change is that things are finally going to be designed in a way that will let us make a great mobile experience down the road. Okay, let's take a look at the new version. Here's the workspace. Things look a bit different, but as you can see, it's still pretty much the same thing you're used to. That will be true for most pages in the app. The main difference is the navigation. It used to run along the top of the screen, and now it's on the side. This has a lot of benefits, including that it makes better use of widescreen monitors, it works better on mobile, and it lets you scroll up and down on the page without losing access to the navigation. Aside from the positioning, the only changes we made are minor. The search bar is a little more accessible, so you don't need to mouse over anything to search. You just click this right here. We shortened a few of the names of these links, but they all go to the same places as before. If you want to create a new contact or company, you can do that from the Contacts section here. You'll notice that there's now a Reports section, which has all of your pipeline reports plus the task and activity report. And if you need to contact us for help, just click this link at the bottom left of the screen. The next change is this sidebar. We call it the page menu. This will be different on every page, and it's basically just a list of all the actions and options for that page. For example, on the main contact list, you can find actions such as exporting your list of contacts, and below that you can filter the contact list. Having these options in the same place on every page makes it easier to find them when you need them, and it also declutters the main content on the page. It's a win-win. That's about it for the design changes. Yeah, some things have moved around a bit, but overall, everything works just like it always did. But before we go, one last thing. In addition to the design improvements, we've also added some new features. There's a list of recent contacts so that you can see any contacts you viewed recently and access them without searching. We added a bunch of new export types, such as notes and events. We also made a number of improvements to custom fields, including adding the ability to set contact and company fields separately. And last but not least, we just started rolling out Outlook calendar integration to select users. If you switch to the new design and come to the integrations page, you might see it as an option for you. If it's not available yet, like it isn't here, check back soon because it should be available to everyone in the next month or so. All right, that's it from me. On behalf of myself and the whole team here at Less Annoying CRM, I want to thank you so much for being a customer. I really hope you enjoy these improvements we've been working so hard on. And as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to contact us.